So lit right now, okay. For my real bros, we up next, yeah. How our grill go on my neck, yeah. We got real goals, let's get a check, yeah. I'm so lit right now.
Welcome to KV Television. It's your girl Kennedy, and I just want to congratulate her for helping us get to 53 subscribers. If you want a shout out, all you have to do is in the comment section below say I want a shout out and tell us what you want to shout out, and make sure you subscribe to us first because we won't shout you out. Let's just subscribe to, and maybe shout out some people. Cupcake Ice Cream 35, LPS Haley DIY, LPS Alpha Pop, Wawa TV, Swelly Ruby Rose HMM. So repeat those names because these are some awesome people. Cupcake Ice Cream 35, go check her out. LPS Haley DIY, check her out. LPS Alpha Pop, check them out. Wawa TV, check them out. Swelly Ruby Rose HMM, check them out. Then let's jump into the video. Today's Kendall's doing the tour review on what?
So this is the Lego set. The Lego Friends. What's it called? The Lego Friends. Actually, like ocean, like beach party. Lego Friends Beach Party. This set comes with one doll, Mia, and it comes with one canoe with the paddles, and then they got a seal and the shop, surf shop.
Can you turn the surf shop around so we can see the back of it?
Oh, sorry. There we go. Sorry
So
about
this is
that.
the inside of the surf shop, guys.
They have $100 bills.
Sunglasses, $50. Like Kimberly just said, $100 bills. What's this?
The door can open.
What's that? I guess this is like a credit card.
Yeah, that's a credit card.
Okay, so that's a credit card, guys.
And then you got paddles on this side. You got the little flippers so you can dive in the ocean. And you got the
Oh, those
goggles.
are flippers.
And you got the glass like magnifying glass.
Okay.
And you can open the door, and you can actually use these. I don't know about in water, but you can put her on it, and actually, like that. Because this is carpet is smooth, so enough to do it. But yeah, just to give an example. And it comes with all the stuff you see here. And there's a bunch of stuff that is very cool. And let's talk about the sail. Well, we have this, so like if she goes in the ocean, she can see another person. And yeah, so it's just on this little platform. Sail. Then we got her on her paddle. It has a camera right there. And if you have something to carry on there, that holds everything you need if you want to surf after that. And yeah, so you can open the door like I said, and there's stickers that comes with the set, and there's things outside. What else I want to talk about? We got shelves and stuff inside. So yeah, you can do about how far your imagination goes. You can play with it for long. But the bigger set you get, the more fun you have. I'm not just saying that because I want you to buy it. I'm saying that because it makes you have fun.
Guys, thank you for watching this video. This has been another one of Kendall's toy collection videos. More on the way. Cooking with KV Television, that's on the way.
This is KV Television Toys.
We have
by
other
me.
things for you on the way, but that's a surprise. The 50 sub special is 100 cartwheels. I guess, I don't know. We might do something more for y'all. But I think we're going to do a 100 cartwheels challenge, but it's kind of raining. So, because I was going to try to do it outside, because in the inside I don't have that much. Like, I have a lot of space. I just don't want to do it inside. So, I might do it. I might not. But if I do it, it'll be posted today. But if I don't do it, Byron might post it tomorrow. But anyway, this has been another one of Kendall's toy collection videos. And
see you next time on KB Television Toys. Subscribe, like, comment, whatever you need to do to be on this channel.
And guys, thank you again for 53 subscribers.
We're trying to make our way to 10,000, but that's going to take a little time. So take your time. We will wait.